Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This is an FLHX and this is in vivid black. Taller windshield. We have the dual disc brakes up in the front, engine guards in the front, beautiful Screamin' Eagle intake, chrome exhaust, which looks really nice. Locking saddlebags, little luggage rack on the quick disconnect system. We have the 2-up seat, rider floorboards with the heel toe shifter, and we have passenger pegs. Really comfortable grips. We have a phone holder, a drink holder, and then all these nice little magnetic pockets, really nice for keeping chapstick or registration and insurance if you like to go fast. Miles on this bike are only 6,141. That is nothing. So come check this bike out. Again, 2016 Street Glide. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.